What's up guys, I hope you're all doing okay. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be presenting to you I think the smallest library I've ever seen, and it's called React Colorful. And this library essentially is going to integrate a color picker component into your project. So depending on what project you're working on, and if you have need for it, you might want to allow your users to be able to pick a color or pick a certain tone or shade. And so this project is going to allow you to do just that. You're going to allow your users visually to select the color, and maybe you can define the theme of maybe your application, or it defines the color of maybe an option that you provide in your project, or whatever way you want to use it. Definitely you can use it. So I think it's just important for you to know that this library exists out there and you can integrate it into your projects. So it's quite simple and quite straightforward. There's no other page to the website. You just have a GitHub link, an npm package page, and so this is a quite simple library which is going to allow you to integrate this color picker. And so this website has no additional feature to it. You just have a single page and the GitHub page where you can see the documentation. And so let's just see how it works. So when you come here, you have the option to move the color, and as you can see, the developers made it real time, and you see how it changes. So your users are going to be able to select the colors they want to go with, and automatically you're going to see it appear, or you're going to be able to save the information. And so yeah, so this is how it goes. I kind of like this implementation and how sleek and simple it is, nothing too complicated or cumbersome. So yes, you get to see all the colors and really enjoy them, so you can get to pick the exact same colors that you want. I think an addition the developers could have put was some palettes. They could have integrated some palettes for users to be able to directly maybe cycle through, or maybe pick, trying to pick the perfect color can be very challenging sometimes. And so, but I guess this has its application. And so if you notice as well, as the color changes, the text also changes. If the text didn't change, then it will disappear when you use some certain colors. So the text actually changes, I think, just through two colors, black and white. It would have been interesting if the text was changing based on the color. It was going to the opposite of that color. Yeah, but I guess they just wanted simplicity. So yeah, this amazing library, you should definitely check it out. You can check out the repository as well. You can see all the stars it has already. So even though it's a simple tool, it's still very, very useful. So yeah, I just wanted you to know that this library exists out there. If ever you need it, then you know that it's something that is there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.